And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this color explosion background. It's easy to do if you just want to have a random result. Create a new layer, color doesn't really matter, I'll make it white. And make sure that it's active. Now go to filters, render, noise, and there's the plasma option. Check the preview and you can see the effect applied in real time. It takes a lot of processing time if your canvas is too big, but for mine here 9020 x 1080 it's totally fine. You can randomize it with the seed right here. And turbulence, if you go down it becomes blurry and you'll add sharpness and details if you go up. But if you go too far it's going to look artificial. So keep it at around, let's say 0.5 to 2. The clipping adjust here, it doesn't really have an impact. And if you confirm it, you're already done. And this is how you can create such a color explosion background in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.